Oh guys, what's going on, man? This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen, and I got a real treat for you today. This set for a 2004 to 2009 Mazda 3 hatchback. Another one of those rarities, not a lot of people doing these, and I got them done because, man, they came out beautiful. Gonna be real hard to showcase this because we got a black interior paint job with a purple metal flake in there. So that's real sparkly. I got a GTA Retrofits mini D2S bracket in order to do a projector swap on this and yank out the OEM halogen headlight projectors and replace them with a Morimoto mini D2S. And I did the custom ByThirteen lens etching on them right there. In the high beam location, we have the Morimoto 2-stroke LED bulb that is nestled right in there, and as you can see, the low beam is right there, which is a ByXenon assembly. The blinker turn signal right there has a ring, a halo, and another halo, so we got triple halo action going in on these bad boys. And so check this out, it's all RGB equipment running off of the Morimoto 3-channel Bluetooth controller, so I can control each of them independently. If we're on channel 3, we can put it right there. Channel 2 will put it right there, and then channel 1 will put it right there. You understand how this works. We can select them all, and we can throw them onto a color changing theme. Also, for the record, we can make them all white for a very beautiful running light mode. Also worth mentioning is that these products are switchback, so as a turn signal, you will have all of them blinking with your turn signal, and that is the turn signal location. Now, as far as the actual lighting performance goes, because not only are these super pretty, they got the nice paint job, they got the pretty fancy halos, we've got a real nice professional sealed up backside here, and I'm going to show you how these actually shine on the wall, because again, it's an MD2S assembly, superior lighting performance. Alright, and now we can see this amazing HID system powering up. I really wish the camera wouldn't just white it out, but the logo lights up all nice and sexy in there. And we are going to have a beautiful light output pattern onto the wall. So a significant increase in lighting performance over the OEM and even over the aftermarket housings that we purchased here for this build. So again, these are for the hatchback, but the only difference between the hatchback and the sedan, or whatever you want to call the other option, is the mounting brackets on here. So the housing itself is the same shape, but the mounting points will be different. So they are not interchangeable. Make sure that you read the video description. Pricing information and products utilized in this build will be down there. This is 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. See you.